Hi, everyone. This video is about how to fix the Windows 10 apps not working issue. Fix 1. Reset Windows Store cache. Type command prompt in the search box of Windows. Right-click the first result to choose Run as Administrator. In the pop-up window, type reset.exe and press Enter to continue. Then the process will take a while. After the process is finished, Microsoft Store will open automatically. Fix 2. Reset the specific application. Press the Windows key and I key together to open Settings. In the pop-up window, choose Apps to continue. Under App and Features, select the application which fails to work. Choose Advanced Options to continue. In the pop-up window, scroll down and choose Reset to continue. Then, click Reset to confirm. Fix 3. Run App Troubleshooter. Press the Windows key I keys together to open Settings. Go to Update and Security. Go to the Troubleshoot tab. Find the Windows Store Apps part. Then, click Run the Troubleshooter. Fix 4. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows and R to open Run box. Type msconfig and click OK to continue. Go to the Services tab and check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. In the pop-up Task Manager window, go to Startup. Find the unnecessary item and right-click it to choose Disable button to end it. Fix 5. Try another user account. Press the Windows key I keys together to open Settings. Choose Accounts. In the pop-up window, choose Family and Other User. Then click Add someone else to this PC under the Other User section. Next, you can follow the wizard to continue. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.